Ignition Student Study Project on Student Record System, Department of Computers, Government Degree College, Bhadrachalam. Myself, J. Shashikumar, Namaste.
Myself, B. Sai Mahesh, Namaste.
Myself, K. Navina, Namaste.
Myself, K. Manikanta, Namaste.
Myself, T. Lalita, Namaste.
The project mentor G. Kalpana ma'am, lecturers in computer. Introduction. In this project, we are going to create student record system using Visual Basic. In this project, we create an application to store student data from various programs like BSc, BCom, BA, etc. And we create different form designs to store the student data. We use Visual Basic IDE, Integrated Development Environment, for designing the form application. The object of the student record system is to allow the administrators of any organization to edit and find out the personal details of the students and allow the student to keep up to date his profile. It will also facilitate keeping all the record of the students such as their hall ticket number, name, father name, mother name, date of birth and etc. So all the information of the student will be available in few seconds. As we know that many colleges, institutes and academic centers work in their manual mode for their day-to-day operations, whether it is the registration of the students or the faculties of other operations. All such operations are handled on files registers manually. The project tends to use the latest advancements in information technology and we provide a central web solution for automating some basic mundane tasks. Over to design Manish.
System specifications having two types: hardware specification, software specification. Processor having Intel i3, system having 64 bits, RAM having 4 GB RAM, hard disk drive having 1 terabyte or higher, monitor having LED color, keyboard having 108 keys, mouse having USB. Software specification having operating system having MS Windows 10, front end having Visual Studio 2012, back end having MS Access 2007. Over to Navina.
Economical feasibility. Are there sufficient benefits in creating the system cost acceptable or the cost of not creating system so that break is advisable to undertake the project? These are the important questions we need to be answered in economical feasibility. Proposed system will not face any economical constraints as it is developed by students only, and it will help auto manual processing which will save time and money. This will provide economical benefits. Next, proposal feasibility. Will the system be used if it is developed and implemented? Will there be resistance for the user that will undermine to possible application benefits? When we look from this perspective, we do not see any risk in implementing and making it operational. This project will help everyone as it is planned to be reliable, maintainable, affordable and predictable. Technical feasibility. Can the work from the project will be done with current equipments, existing software technology and available personnel? These are the questions which we need to be answered to check technical feasibility. The project will be developed using Visual Studio 2012 and with Angular has content and database has MXX, which will store related to this data of project. There are basic requirements of hardware to run this application. This application will be a web application, so that application can be accessed by using any devices like computers, laptops and hand-handling devices provided. They are on same network. Over to Manika.
Existing system. System has come up with many functionality for the education institutions, the student progress and managing attendance. The student information as a particular like hall ticket name, mother name, father name, and date of birth of the student, etc. Emailed to the system by the faculty. All these particular is stored in the database system. SRS application is double free to us in schools, colleges, universities, and other education institutions also. It can be customized as per the need, and it can be used in private and government education institutions also. Proposal system. This program was work offline and to the transfer given from the user. The student record system is able to provide considerable number of student records and needs online assistance for managing records of students. The website was user-friendly, quick-to-learn and reliable website for the above purpose. SRS is intended to be a stand-alone product and should not depend on availability of other websites. Record in DB will be used for authentication, listening, and such functionalities. These are the fields we are using in this project, and this is the final output of the project. Over to Tilan.
Conclusion. Implementation of the system will take